Greetings, fellow creators. Today's video is a special one for all you budding photographers and videographers out there. We're diving into the world of imaging, unearthing the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're just starting your creative journey or looking to level up your content game, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's jump into the lens-tastic world of beginner-friendly cameras. Number 5, Sony ZV-E1. A good vlogging camera should be compact and easy to operate, boxes both ticked by the Sony ZV-E1. As the smallest, lightest full-frame camera with image stabilization, we found it a winner for solo vlogging. The ZV-E10 is even more portable, but you won't get the same video quality from its smaller APS-C sensor. Specifications: Type: mirrorless. Sensor size: full frame. Resolution: 12.1 MP monitor, 3-inch. Weight: 483 g. Our tests found the ZV-E1 capable of capturing crisp 4K 60p footage in all lighting conditions, thanks to a full-frame sensor borrowed from the revered A7S III. We were also impressed by its in-body image stabilization, which produced superbly smooth handheld footage that almost makes a gimbal unnecessary. Cutting-edge AI smarts also leave very little to fix after the fact. Auto-framing reliably tracks subjects across the image, which we think is a big win when you're recording alone. Number 4, Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 takes everything that made the X-S10 one of our favorite vlogging cameras and introduces features that make it feel like a more user-friendly option for fledgling content creators. Inheriting the well-balanced body of the X-S10 means the X-S20 sits very comfortably in the hand, while our first impressions in testing found that simplified dials on the top plate make it easier to get to grips with what is quite an advanced shooting tool. Specifications: Type: mirrorless. Sensor size: APS-C resolution, 26.1 MP monitor, 3-inch. Weight: 491 g. Number 3, Panasonic Lumix GH6. Panasonic's GH5 II was one of our favorite cameras for vloggers, offering plenty of creative potential in compact packaging. The GH6 tops it on almost every metric. Equipped with a sharper 25.2 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor, it can shoot 5.7K footage at 60 frames per second. It also offers a massive arsenal of formats, frame rates, and resolutions, including a larger catalog of 10-bit modes, while forced fan cooling means limitless recording times. Specifications: Type: mirrorless. Sensor size: Micro Four Thirds. Resolution: 25.2 MP monitor, 3-inch. Weight: 823 g. Number 2, DJI Pocket 2. We were big fans of the original DJI Osmo Pocket. This sequel fixes a lot of its limitations and makes it the best compact option around for solo filmmakers. The Sony ZV-1, above, trumps it for outright video quality, but if you tend to shoot a lot of walk-and-talk style clips, then the Pocket 2's combination of a 3-axis gimbal and solid face tracking could make it more appealing. Specifications: Type: compact. Sensor size: 1/1.7 in. Resolution: 64 MP. Effective focal length: 20 mm. Weight: 117 g. Number 1, Sony ZV-1. Compact and powerful, we think the Sony ZV-1 nails what most people want from a small vlogging camera. Its compact packaging gives it excellent versatility, as do its hot shoe, mic port, and fully articulating touchscreen. In testing, we found its real-time tracking in IAF to be the class of the field, while the 1-inch sensor was capable of producing crisp, detailed 4K/30p video. Specifications: Type: compact. Sensor size: 1-inch. Resolution: 20.1 MP. Effective focal length: 24 to 70 mm. Monitor: 3-inch. Weight: 294 g. Our review also confirmed that the ZV-1 offers a huge amount of depth for a compact camera, with a built-in ND filter and profiles like S-Log 2 for those who want to embrace color grading. There you have it, folks, our top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're a pocket dynamo enthusiast, an entry-level explorer, autofocus aficionado, content creator extraordinaire, or a beginner's prodigy seeker, there's a camera on this list for you. If you found this video helpful or if one of these cameras caught your eye, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our creative community, and let's embark on this visual journey together. Until next time, keep creating, keep capturing those moments, and I'll catch you in the next video.